Welcome, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply tapping on the video. And here we are. Now let's move to more advanced options, which are here in the left corner. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the settings at the first place we have the video settings, and at the last position here we have the video stabilization. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also when we go back to the camera preview, we have one extra button with super steady stabilization, which is here. So when we tap on this we can turn it on and turn it off by just one click. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.